What's up, everyone? Crypto 38 here, and I'm here to give a review so far on this new Nexo platform that offers to give you interest on your cryptocurrencies. Yep. And if you've been following the cryptocurrency market, if you just got in, you might be hearing a lot about something called DeFi, which is decentralized finance. And what basically is going on now, or it's the hot thing that everybody's talking about, are these new crypto lending platforms that are coming out. You might have heard like things like Compound. There's another one that just can't come into my. Oh, Celsius is another one, and then Nexo. Now, of course, I tried to join Celsius from the very beginning. I could not. I live in New York City, and the rules here in New York City are so strict, and they try to like stifle out competition, in my opinion, that you have to jump hurdles to get approved for something here in New York. And supposedly, other states in America can invest, I think, I'm not sure, but not New York. I know that does happen a lot with other platforms. Anyway, Compound, same thing. I tried to join Compound and make money off of it when it first came out, and I couldn't. I wasn't allowed to. Okay, and so I missed out. If you look at the price of Compound today, it's $212. When that first thing came out, I that means I would have made some money. But unfortunately, I missed out. Not on my own, but because of the rules and regulations in my city. So make sure you always check upon your rules and regulations in your own very city, because they're probably going to be different too. Anyway, back to Nexo. So most of us who hold our Bitcoin and really hold it, remember, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. If you really own your Bitcoin, you have it stored away in a hardware wallet somewhere, right? Cold storage. It's off the internet. Nobody can hack it. But also, even though that is the safest way to go, uh, you're not going to make any money until the price of that crypto goes up. Now, with these new lending platforms, what they're offering is interest on your crypto if you keep it with them. Kind of like a bank, except that this is, in my opinion, better than a bank because, for one, they're giving me a higher interest than any bank I ever know was going to give me. And I get to control things, And I'm just my own bank. I like being my own bank if I can access everything. So check it out. Let's get into this. I know I'm talking a lot here. Nexo. Enjoy our lowest crypto credit line rates forever. Rates ever, right? So it says from 5.9 APR. Do they have the best ones or not? I am not sure. Okay. Maybe there's somebody else, another one that does have it. But like I said, I live in New York City. And it's like I have no other alternative but to choose this one. And so I tried it out. And this is what I'm letting you know. So boom, I heard about it and it said we will give you interest on your crypto. I said, really? So I ended up putting in here $25 worth of Bitcoin at first to see if they was going to give me some interest on it. Would see if it was safe. I was a little unsure. So I put $25. And I also put in here a little bit of XRP. I put in here a little bit of Stella. These were coins that I had in my hardware wallet sitting there doing nothing. So I decided, you know what, instead of them just sitting there doing nothing, I might as well catch some type of interest on them. The crypto market, unlike 2017, has kind of like been on a slow grind going back up. And so if I could compound my money, of course, any investor would want to do that, right? So when they offered this, I said, you know what, let me try this one. And one of the main reasons this one is fine for, I think, anybody, it's because it's approved by the SEC. And so if it's approved by the SEC, then you're good and you don't have to worry about compliance or any of that. Nexo is in compliance. Not only are they in compliance, but they also say that they're backed by $100 million. Let's go here to about Nexo. What is Nexo? And let's just do a little quick reading. What is Nexo? Nexo is the most advanced platform for instant crypto loans and the only blockchain company to provide its services in 45 plus fiat currencies, that's regular money, cash, and in more than 200 jurisdictions. Nexo gives digital asset holders the best of both worlds: instant access to cash and retaining ownership of their assets. Its global operations are powered by the profound lending experience of Credissimo, a leading fintech group serving millions of people across Europe for over 10 years, while multiple banking and financial service regulators. Nexo's instant lending platform combines seamless user experience with military-grade security and with 256-bit encryption. So that seamless user experience, so far, I have to say, is true. Like, it's really easy. Nothing like, you hear crypto, some people get freaked out, like, oh my God, what is that? How you do it? It's just like you are logging into your TD bank account or your Chase bank account. It's almost the same experience, and so far it's been like that with Nexo. In the security, 256 encryption, that's that new code that they have out there with this Bitcoin stuff that's going out. You're going to hear a lot about that. That's basically what it's about. Clients' funds are held individually, assigned multi-signature wallets and cold storage, held with the only qualified, audited, and Goldman Sachs-backed custodian, BitGo. So remember, this is very important here. Not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Okay, if you want complete control of your Bitcoin, then you need to have your own private keys. No, you don't want to have keys with anybody else, just with you. That would be, to me, in my opinion, the best, safest way. But if you have some extra crypto that you want to make some money on, instead of just having it sitting in a hardware wallet, take some of that out, and you can do this, what I did. And it's backed by the custodian, BitGo. Okay? And like I said, if Goldman Sachs is behind this, come on. So it's legit. It's not a scam. Okay. I think so far it's proven to be what it is. It's brand new. It's always good to get into this. So anyway, let's get back to this. Now, if you put your money in here, they're going to give you interest. And it depends on how much you put in there. Why do I say that? Because when I first logged into this or saw the ads to this, they was promoting 10% on your stable coins, 5% on Bitcoin, and 8% on something else, right? So I put some money in there. But I noticed, and this could be the con that you have here with Nexo, okay? It's my first time using it. I'm just giving you my review so far. But what I did notice was when I put more money, I ended up putting $1,000 in Bitcoin in there. They lowered the amount of interest that I would be earning on everything. Instead of it being 10 and 5, it ended up going to 8% for the stable coins and 4% for the Bitcoin. And I said, So there seems to be a catch there. But nonetheless, like I said, I'm trying it out. And it claims that I can always take my money out. So I'm just going to give you my independent review so far and then do a video later on and let you know how it's going. But anyway, if you deposit your money here and you need a loan, instead of going to the bank, instead of going to your friend's house, if you have your Bitcoin in here, if you have your other crypto in here, they're going to give you credit. So if you put $100 of Bitcoin in here, they're going to give you like $90 credit. If you put $500 in Bitcoin in here, they're going to give you like $450 credit. It's an example I'm using. Those are not precise figures. Those are just examples. But that's what they're going to do. And the reason they keep a little bit is to make sure there's enough money to go around should things go sour for the company, right? Now, with that credit line, then you can use it. And you say, well, what can I use it for? Well, if you need cash, all you got to do is transfer it right back to your Chase banking account, to your TD banking account, to your Ponce, Banco de Ponce, account. and just send it back over there, and it's just going to be transferred, because everything is basically digital now, right? The only thing that's not digital is going to be the cash. Is actually physical cash, right? Everything, your checking account, everything is digital. So it's actually a seamless process that takes place, and it'll be sent back to your account. Okay, in the future, they're going to come out with a card. Here you go, right here. It says, we will let you know as soon as the Nexo card is available. Get early access. I already signed up, and I'm just waiting for them. Looks like it's a partnership with Visa. If you've been watching the news, you know the Compound's credit card, for some reason, didn't go through the deal. But we're waiting on Nexo. If this is backed by Goldman Sachs, I'm pretty sure they're going to have it, right? So anyway, back to this. So if you take out a loan, you use that credit, you have to pay back the loan, and what they're going to charge you is the 5.9% that you see here, from my understanding. If I'm getting this wrong, somebody can just leave me a comment. And then you pay back that 5.9%, and then you get your crypto back. And I'm like, what? You get your crypto back? That sounds great too, right? Because if I go to the bank and I give them $1,000, and I say I need $1,000, they don't give me $1,000, and then I'm going to give it, going to pay them $1,000 and more, right? The fee. And I don't get anything in return after that, right? But according to this lending scheme that we got going on here, I have Bitcoin already just sitting around in my hardware wallet. I put it in here. Not only am I going to earn interest, but if I need credit or a loan, I can come here, pull out, let's say, for example, if I have $1,000 worth of credit. And here, for example, right now I have, 736, right? I can go right now and transfer $736 to my checking account with TD Bank. And then I can use that for whatever. Then I have to pay back this loan. And from what I'm understanding, I pay this back when I want to, just as long as I pay it back. And they'll give me my crypto back. And I haven't gotten that far yet. We're going to see if that's true or not. I haven't gotten that far, but I'm like, oh, I can pay when I want to, because sometimes I just ain't got it to be paying at this specific date all the time. So tell you what I have Bitcoin in here. I just put that in today. Ethereum also, they're giving out a certain percentage. Like I said, it seems to fluctuate. The Nexo token, let's talk about the Nexo token. Nexo token, I have $434, and that's because they claim that if you purchase Nexo tokens, they will give you back 30% in dividends for holding that token. I said, what? 30%? Okay, where do I sign? So I bought some Nexo tokens with my Bitcoin. It came out to like the minimum, because there is a minimum. You have to purchase like $86 worth of Bitcoin, somewhere around that price. And they gave me 434 Nexo tokens. And like I said, it was about $86. Look what it's up to now. It's up to 99.90. So the interest is coming in already. And I said, wow, that's pretty decent, right? And I only have a little bit of money here. Imagine you yourself, somebody's watching this video, has $10,000, has $50,000, and you put it in there, and you get 30% on that token, right? Shit, I'm pretty sure you could make a killing off of that. But anyway, you don't need all that money. You just want to invest a little bit of your money, do your own little banking system going on. This is what you can do. XRP, when I put my money in here, it was like $5. I'm already up to 602. I put USD coin here, $106. It's up to $107. You can put some more stable coins here. And I have Stellar Lumens. So these are some of the cryptos I got so far. I like it. You can see right here. It will say interest earned. And this is daily. July 1st. XRP 0.004525. Very little. But hey, I'm not doing anything. This is passive income. Just playing PS4 and earning something. Imagine if I put more in there, right? The next one, XLM, Stellar Lumens, 0.02, right? So I proved. The next one, BTC, 0.000036. Now that's very little BTC. But I just added $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So that I'm going to see what type of interest I get now off that $1,000 the next time around. And then the stable coin, I got $100 in stable coin. Look what they gave me. They gave me 0.02. Okay. So every day they pay out the daily interest. I don't need to borrow anything right now. I just have it sitting there, making a little bit of extra money in the meantime. And if I do need, I'm planning to do a purchase in the future, and I'm thinking maybe I can, just to try it out, the same money that I just put in here, take out that loan and then pay it back and see exactly how is it that the process works. And then I can come back with a follow-up video and let you guys know, whether I still like it, or, because sometimes you get into this stuff and it changes. Like I said, it said 10% on my stablecoin, 5% on my Bitcoin. Then when I put it in there, now it says 8 and 4. So, that's something that I do have to look into. You can see the total value of my crypto assets says 1,406.43. So far, I've earned 20 cents, right? And I just added more money today. Let's see what happens. But you can see total earned 20 cents. And then you see here, it says top up 135 Nexo tokens to earn 25% higher interest on all your assets. Whoa. I never even seen that. It says top up 135 Nexo tokens to earn, that means then you earn even more money. But let's wait for a second. So you can see interest earned on BTC so far, Ethereum interest earned, XRP interest earned, USD coin interest earned, and Stellar Lumens interest earned. So I like it so far. So so far my review is good. If anybody wants to sign up for it, you can just go straight to their website, Nexo, and sign up. Right now they don't have like a referral link where I would be able to get a discount and you get a discount. They don't have that yet. I'm hoping they get that in here soon as well. But all you have to do is just go to Nexo on the website, type it in, and you're gonna see it. And if you want to join, you join. Thank you guys for watching. That's my little tip.